corned beef, white rice.
It name take me cook me Sunday dish. Me call it rice and peas, Asco beach fish.
So at the last minute I decided to cook. So I just draw for some good old corned beef with some white rice. Nothing is gonna be easy and simpler than some corned beef with white rice. So guys, tune in. Them said I wanna come from Brazil. So a little bit different from our Jamaican corned beef, but the same way, same making. So let's see, let's go. I don't know. Onion, hot pepper, garlic, and some sweet pepper. I'm gonna cut up that and salt out the corned beef. Stick with me now, man. Light, camera, action. Is the radio attraction. This is when I'm cooking corned beef. One of the key is a lot of onion. Crush them like this, they come right out of the skin. Yeah man, so you don't know, some garlic, hot pepper now. Yeah man, I eat this. And that's gonna go into my corned beef. In the meantime, we have a pot to go and get eaten. You know my style as usual. A little bit of cooking oil to wet that pot bottom. Here we go. That's real hot when it's turn up. Guys, you should smell the aroma that's coming off this. Smelling so good. So, in the meantime, that is doing what it's doing. We're gonna move on to that is it, my corned beef. Alright, that is looking amazing. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add the corned beef. Yeah man. And it's easy and simple. You cover that and give it about 3 minutes. Yeah man, so the only thing, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of black pepper for some top off, you know what I mean? Just a little bit, because you know we have all that natural flavor in there. You don't want to spoil it. That is looking so beautiful. And right there guys, trust me, that is ready. Have some nice shelly rice. It's time for the corned beef. Look at that guys. Yeah. Nice plate of corned beef and white rice in the morning, yeah? Yeah man, and then I'm taking some for lunch. But first, let me taste this. Oh, no joke. It's because I don't taste corned beef for a while now. And I can tell you. The pepper turn up in there. So me tell you, lots of onion. So when you put lots of onion in there, Yes, guys. Corned beef, white rice. I'm gonna have a good lunch today. I have my dishes of lunch and breakfast, corned beef and white rice. Amazing, guys. Something to try. Just easy and simple and tasty. Yeah, I know a lot of people say they don't eat corned beef, but I love my corned beef. Thank you very much for joining. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel, man. More authentic meals are coming up, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself and have a blessed day.